Shower in luxury underneath this exquisite 63-inch shower panel. Made from stainless steel with a stainless steel finish, this shower panel will add that special touch to any sleek and modern bathroom. Control the temperature with the bottom knob by turning it left for hot water or right for cold water. The top knob turns on the Rainfall shower function with blue LED lights for added ambiance. The second knob controls the Waterfall function with an extravagant steady stream. The third knob controls the 8 powerful jets for water at all angles. The fourth knob controls the handheld shower wand with a lengthy hose, so you may direct the water at hard-to-reach places. All functions work separately or simultaneously for your preference. Akdy. Let your home do more.